in a factory, and I was actually pulling on banding, and the banding let go, which it never did before. So when it went, I went, and I hit the floor. I actually went to a stat care, and the doctor that had seen me thought I needed to come north, and she recommended Dr. Seth. I saw him and the staff. They are excellent people. And then I had to have some surgery on my arms, carpal tunnel, cubital tunnel, and he's done both of them. He's awesome. He was very honest, very optimistic that things would be okay with it. Made me feel very comfortable. Everything was right on time, like they said it would be. The appointments, everything was good. They even double-checked, x-rayed, and went over all of my records, and everything was fine. The anesthesiologist comes in, he explains everything that's going to happen to you, and you feel comfortable with him too. Everybody you feel comfortable with before you even go into the room. You do. And then when you come out, they're right there, smiling, taking care of you. And after I woke up, after I did the surgery, it was instant relief. Today, I don't even know that I broke this. As far as everything works well, I did my therapy like I was supposed to. You can't even tell it was broke. That's one thing you can feel at ease up there. You know you're going to come out better than you went in. I knew I was in safe hands with Dr. Seth. He's not just a doctor, he's your friend, and he tells the truth. They all do.